This one's called Please Close the Curtains, and this is off the new record,
Great.
Silence Daedalus.
Thank you.